friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming some acid reflux friendly meal ideas. I've heard from you guys that those have been helpful, and I actually am on the Cape right now. If you're not familiar with my page, I'm finishing the last part of my nutrition education in Boston. I just got my master's in undergrad as well at Boston University in nutritional science, and I'm finishing my dietetic internship, which is necessary to be a registered dietitian, which I will be this winter. I just need to get away from the city. One thing I really like to do sometimes on the weekends is just come home. Luckily, home is really close to Boston. My mom has a house on the Cape, so I'm coming here. We're going to be doing some cooking because my apartment situation in Boston is just not ideal for cooking right now. I'm going to be showing you guys some meal ideas and kind of taking you through a little weekend day in my life. I'm so excited because I'm going to be releasing an acid reflux gut healthy cookbook next month. I've been working so hard on it, and I've been hearing from you guys that you're excited for it. It's going to have tons of acid reflux friendly recipes, snacks, breakfast, prep ahead lunches, easy dinners, and also some really fun desserts. And this makes me so happy because I want you guys to have fun recipes, and I want you to enjoy food and cooking. And I know some of the recipes on my channel have been helpful, but it'll be nice to just have something at your fingertips. It'll be available in PDF and print. I used to have really severe IBS and acid reflux, so that's why I started these pages. And yeah, I'll take you inside and kind of show you my Sunday. One question I get a lot is about spices with acid reflux, because certain spices might be irritating depending on your symptoms. So some people don't do well with spicy foods, some people avoid onion and garlic. One way that you can season roasted vegetables is with turmeric, salt. You can use oregano, dried thyme, dried rosemary. Seasonings like that can be a little bit easier to tolerate. Generally, I use avocado oil as well to season and roast vegetables, and so these came out really good. The turmeric gives it a nice fall color, and also it has anti-inflammatory properties, so that's one way you can add some flavor. Also, if you're having some digestive issues and you want something that's a little bit easier to tolerate, making a roast with some protein and some veggies, roasting in a pot like this or in an instant pot can make things really soft and easy to digest if you need a little bit of a break. If you're, having IBS symptoms or acid reflux symptoms, that's one way that you can make a cozy meal. If you are someone who has to avoid chocolate or acidic flavors in desserts, one really nice flavor for dessert is a pumpkin or apple-based dessert. So the fall is a great time for acid reflux recipes. This is an apple crumble, and it's super easy to make. I actually am gonna have a crumble recipe in my upcoming acid reflux and gut-friendly recipe book. I'm also gonna be making some lentil tortillas. These are super easy to make. It's just one ingredient. You can add a couple other seasonings if you want, but I'll show you how to make these a little bit later. Yesterday I made a couple acid reflux friendly desserts. One of them was a white chocolate pumpkin cookie, so if dark chocolate doesn't work well for you, you can try white chocolate. And I also made some banana muffins with a granola topping and a vanilla icing. Both of these recipes are going to be in my cookbook, and they're super easy snacks and desserts that you can prep for the week. One thing that takes up a good chunk of my weekend is planning content for TikTok and Instagram, so I'm going to be doing some of that now. And if we haven't connected there yet, I will drop the links down below. Lentil crepes, lentil tortillas came out really cute. I think that I would use them more as a crepe. Like, I think they would be delicious as a savory crepe with eggs, veggies, cheese, or you could do like yogurt and honey and some berries, but they were so easy, just one ingredient. I'm gonna be adding these in the cookbook too and just adding some suggestions with how to serve them. Lentils are a really good source of fiber, essential nutrients, and really, really inexpensive. And if you're gluten-free or avoiding gluten, this could be a fun crepe or tortilla alternative. So I would recommend doing these a little bit differently than I did them. I think it's better to whisk the eggs and then add them in. I was just lazy. I didn't want to use a separate bowl. And also, if you're defrosting your meat, there's a couple different ways to do that. So you could put the meat, if it was frozen, in the fridge overnight. You could also defrost it in cold water, or you could microwave it, but just not as long as I did, and keep an eye so it doesn't kind of get cooked on the edges. But these, you could eat them in the lentil tortillas, you could add them on a salad, you could have them in a sandwich, make a little bowl with them. I also sprayed them with just a little bit of avocado oil, and they got nice and crispy on the top. You can also put these in the freezer and have them super easy to just reheat. I don't have the exact recipe yet because I'm still testing this for my acid reflux friendly cookbook, but just a few tips in terms of cooking in general with making meatballs that are acid reflux friendly. If you're trying to avoid garlic and onion, you can season still with Italian seasoning, rosemary, parsley, fresh herbs. And if you're gluten-free, which is unrelated to reflux, but if you're just gluten-free in general, you can use oat flour or whole oats for the binder. So that's all I have for today. Hope this was helpful in terms of coming up with some meal ideas or snack ideas. I have a lot more recipes on my Instagram. Be sure to connect with me there. And be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications for YouTube so you know when I launch the cookbook. It's coming soon. In the next couple of weeks, it's going to be available again, ebook or PDF. Thanks again for your support on my channel, and I'll see you at the next video.